Hi family, I finally tried Flexi Rod and I'm here to share the process and my experience with you. My hair was in this style for a few days prior to my wash before the set. So here are the products I'll be using for this Flexi Rod set. I got this leave-in conditioner from TGIN as a free gift when I made purchases on Black Friday. I'll also be using their Honey Whip Hydrating Mousse. The instruction on the mousse says to apply the leave-in conditioner first before applying the mousse. And so I went ahead to shampoo and condition my hair, and while still in the shower I applied the leave-in conditioner. I wanted a side part with this style, and so I went ahead to part the hair before starting. I detangled my hair in the shower with a white tooth comb during the conditioning stage, but if you don't mind you can use a brush. I've seen a couple of people do this on stretched out hair. It could be blow dried or even straightened, but I decided to do it on my wash day. And my first attempt looked so smooth, effortless, and like without any hassle. Yeah, I really wish it was. I actually had to do this over and over again until I was able to figure out exactly how to do this as a beginner. During my first few tries, I realized I couldn't really find a way to wrap my ends around the rod without them coming off, and also without leaving room for frizz. I later realized I could have actually bent the rod on my ends so that it could hold up well, but that option didn't come to mind when I was trying. But finally, I figured after wrapping my ends around the rod, I could wrap a few inches on the ends to kind of secure it. And then I continued with a twisting and turning motion until I got to the root. And that's how I got the first one successfully done. Friends, as you can see, the journey was not easy. As I mentioned earlier, I detangled my hair in the shower beforehand, so I didn't really use any comb when I was installing the rods. But I did run my fingers through my hair just to make sure it was well detangled, and that's the amount of mousse I used for each session. One experience I had with this, which wasn't so pleasant, was tension on the scalp. I felt that some few hours after installation and also at bedtime, so next time I'll do well not to tighten it at the root. So this was done around 3 p.m. and I allowed it to air dry for some time before it was bedtime, and then I covered my hair with a satin hair bonnet and went to bed. So this is the next morning and it was time to remove the rods. Honestly, I was a bit nervous at this point because I didn't want all my hard work to go waste. So I put a bit of oil in my palm and started removing the rods gently as I could. At this point, I felt like, ooh, everything I've done is going waste because I didn't know how I was going to separate the curls. But well, I was able to do something and I liked the outcome. So the next time I'm doing a flexi rod set, I'll try to do that on hair that is pre-stretched. So I'll use either twist or braids to stretch my hair, and then after do the mini twist. Oh, sorry. Do the flexi rod. I wouldn't do it on wet hair like I did in this video, even though I felt like it was convenient. I didn't have to style my hair on wash day, and then restyle my hair the next day. If you're new here, welcome to Rosy Natural. My name is Rose, and on this channel I share my natural hair journey. It includes hair care, hairstyles, and a few DIYs to help with the natural hair journey. And so if this is something that you are interested in, then please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell so that you are notified anytime I upload a video. I really did enjoy this hairstyle, but that was just for a day. The next day I had to put it up in a puff because the curls were not as they were in the beginning. Don't forget to click the like button if you like this video. Comment down below what your experience with Flexi rod set has been. If you remember your first day, then let me know. How did it go? If you've never tried it on your natural hair, let me know whether or not you'd like to give it a try. I would also love ideas on what to do with my next Flexi rod set. That said,